my Valentine week series, I'll be uploading and sharing with you guys last minute and budget friendly ideas. So stay tuned. Hello friends. So my today's video is on chocolate day, video number 3. Okay, so if you are in a relationship, then what you can do is just send a sweet little text to make it feel special and give a dairy milk or something really cheap chocolate or chocolate which is in your budget. That's it. And the message I have put in the description box, but then also I'll read it out. So the message starts from here. Height teri, 5-star jitni. Like if your girl's height is small, then you can use 5-star. If it's long, you can use perk or munch or any chocolate which is long. Then height teri, 5-star jitni hai chotu par ekdum maasst. Eyes like gems, always shining and sweetness fulfilled. Lips are like dairy milk, soft, soft, soft. Cheeks tere, silk, softer than soft, soft. And nose like a munch, hair like a 5-star or perk. If your girl's hair is short, then you can use 5-star. If it's long, then you can use perk, munch, anything. Then in short, all I want to say is my chocopie wish you a happy chocolate day. That's it. I have put in the description box. You can copy it from there. And if your budget is little more, then you can make a chocolate box something, which I'll show you. For this you need to take a bowl and then take some similar type of chocolates. Now take a tape, roll it and then put that on the chocolate and stick that chocolate on bowl. Similarly, do this for all the chocolates. Now what you can do is just fill the bowl with the chocolates. And take one red colored chocolate. This is of heart shape, since I had in my freeze, so I have put it over here. Now take a bow, tie around this very tightly. And the next thing you can do is just take a jar, put a chocolate milkshake inside it, then tie it with a bow and gift it. It will be even budget friendly and last minute idea. And the next thing, and now the extreme idea, like literally last minute idea. What you can do is last minute, like literally last minute, you have forgotten that it was a chocolate day and you have no idea about it. What you can do is just call your girl to a cafe or a cake shop and then just tell her today's chocolate day and I want to wish you a happy chocolate day, and give her that cake pastry, like a pastry thing or a donuts or a muffins or cupcakes, anything of chocolate flavor. or else just take her to the chocolate waffle and have some waffles, chocolate. That's it for today. I hope you like my video, and don't forget to give thumbs up, and if you haven't watched my previous 2 videos, then do watch. And tomorrow I'll be uploading a video on Teddy Day. Same just like 3 videos, like it will be budget friendly and it will be last minute. That's it. Don't forget to give thumbs up and let me know in the comment section if you have any more other ideas, so others can also make use of it. That's it for today. Bye bye.